hear a buzzing noise is coming from the kitchen. Looks like it's the refrigerator running. Thinking it was the refrigerator running, I think nothing of it. That is until late in the investigation. Alright, we were here during the EVP session with the group. This is the formal dining room, that was the kitchen. Now during the EVP session, we were hearing like an appliance running, so we thought it was the refrigerator. But we decided to check it out, and look what we found. See, over here is the kitchen. The only appliance here is the refrigerator. Looks like it's original. And the oven. Now the oven doesn't run at all. It's an oven. So we thought the refrigerator was running, but it hasn't been plugged in in who knows how many years. This refrigerator has not been working at all for who knows how long. So what the hell was running? We look all over, there's no other appliances around here. There's nothing. No appliances in here. There's all this office stuff. This is weird.
We've been here for about 30-40 minutes trying to debunk this, and we still haven't heard anything turn on.
Nothing's been running at all in the past, what?
It's 3 hours.
This is just weird. What was running from the kitchen during our EVP session? I don't see anything.